The shoe feel wet. Bar. Nigga know how I'm coming, man. Smiley. I heard they want bars, so I'ma give them prison. Put the 40 to his heart, knock the nigga out his feelings. They won't let me in the front, so I'm coming through the ceiling. They say Miley on that hot shit, I'm like, nah, I'm just chillin'. I'm just tryna stay fly like a motherfucking frisbee. Might pay your bitch a visit and make her pay for my ticket. Running circles around these niggas, swear to God I'm getting dizzy. Running circles around these bitches, swear to God I'm getting dizzy. The gang need bars, and Miley he the sergeant. We be selling white girls, we got Hannah and Margaret. Niggas turn fake, now they done got some shit started. All my niggas wearing red like they was working out of Target. But nah, I ain't banging, nigga, I just want some money. Huncho over my eyes, how could I not keep it 100? Keep thinking you thought life, we gon' tattoo your stomach. The flow is really sick, you gon' need more than comment. Nigga throw up, and I just bought some new jewels off them fucking slow bucks. Niggas want beef and I'ma give it to them cold cut. You cuffin' that girl, she a squirrel, that's my old nut. She don't even get looked at like an ugly bitch with no butt. We chop his middle fingers off cause we ain't giving no fucks. Get caught lacking, that so ass boy, that so low. We told you where you at, why the fuck you ain't show up? Let me sit down, cause I can't stand it. You never took shit in your whole life, how you a bandit? See you cuffin' that bitch, and Miley he just slammed it. Nigga, I'm a 12, took your bitch and made a family. You think you at the awards? My niggas rolling Grammys. The way I killed this shit, I swear to God, feel like I planned it. Rats gave me the square pants, where the fuck is Sandy? Think this shit sweet, pills in his mouth just like some candy. Bars.